Hi there, and welcome to Writing Tip Wednesday. My name is Vanessa, and in each episode, I'll be sharing tips and ideas to help you become a better writer. Feel free to check out our previous episodes, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Here's today's tip. Writing can be classified into two categories, fiction and nonfiction. Nonfiction books contain statements that are true and factual. Some examples of nonfiction books include reference books like dictionaries and encyclopedias, biographies about famous people's lives, books with facts about animals or plants, books about historical events, books that teach about other countries and places, books that teach a new skill such as art, sports, or music. The Bible is also a nonfiction book full of truth. Fiction stories, on the other hand, are not factual. They are made up of the author's imagination. Fiction books can be picture books and chapter books of different kinds, such as mysteries, fairy tales, and other adventures. See if you can guess whether these books would be considered fiction or nonfiction. The Story of Jack and the Beanstalk. Fiction. This is a fairy tale that is imaginary, not a true story, so this story is fictional. What about a biography about Martin Luther King Jr.? Nonfiction. This book tells about a real person who lived in history and presents facts about his life, so this book is considered nonfiction. What about a book with pictures and facts about Washington, D.C.? Nonfiction. This book contains facts that teach about a place that really exists, so this is nonfiction. What about a book about Alice's Adventures in Wonderland? Fiction. Alice is not a real girl. She is a character the author made up, so this is a fictional story. And here's one more, a chapter book that I wrote, The Beecroft Brothers' Adventure in Michigan. Fiction. This is a fictional book that I wrote. While the story does mention real places, the characters and their adventures are made up of my own imagination, so this is fiction. When you are writing a book or story, determine whether your writing will be nonfiction or fiction. If you're writing nonfiction, be sure to stick to the facts and present information that is true and real. If you're writing fiction, use your creativity and imagination to create your own characters and setting. The best way to become a better writer is to keep writing every day. So grab a journal and be creative. If you would like a writing challenge, today's story starter idea is to write about your pet. First, choose whether your story will be fiction or nonfiction. If you have a real pet, you can write a nonfiction story telling facts about your pet. Its name, what kind of animal it is, what it looks like, what things it likes to do or to eat, and how you take care of it. If you do not have a pet, you can write a fictional story. Imagine if you did have a pet. What kind of pet would you like to have? What would it look like? What would you do together? You can create your own adventure story using your creativity and imagination. And if you're interested in animal books, you might want to check out the nonfiction book that I've written about a dog named Phoebe. The link for this book and other books we have available for sale is in the description below. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Writing Tip Wednesday. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos, and I'll see you next time.